Hey, this is Dr. Amanda with StraightSmile Solutions, StraightSmileSolutions.com, and today I want to do an unboxing of the newest of the newly branded ClearCorrect boxes. If you order from them, what you can expect. I really like this box. If you've ever had the old green box before, it was super flimsy, like it would smash. Sometimes it came even in the from the post office smashed. It was so cheap. This one is really sturdy. It's almost like the Invisalign box in terms of the design. I love the colors. I love the branding. It's very pretty. Um, and it has a nice slide out feature. Um, and I guess there's a filler in here if you're only getting some aligners. But the thing I'm really confused about is that I was told like a couple weeks ago that they'd switched to a new material called rose quartz, which personally, it's whatever it is made by Bay Materials. I think it's FLX. They won't give me the MSDS. It's been like 3 weeks, even though I've been asking for it. But the weirdest thing is they promised everything that was shipped as of a few weeks ago or manufactured as of a few weeks ago would be made with this new material. But I got this and I hit the button on additional aligners like a couple days ago and they really produced this fast. So I'm going to give ClearCorrect like major props because usually it takes like a month once you hit the button before it shows up. They whip this stuff out super fast. Fast as I've ever heard, fast as I've ever seen. So I'm giving them a compliment. So I know people think sometimes I'm mean, but I'm not. I'm just truthful. But this is clearly not a new material. I can tell I'm not even opening the package and I can tell this is the original Zendura A. I know my thermoplastic material. So this is Zendura A. This is not anything new. Same trim line. At one point they said they were changing the trim line and then they said they weren't. They said they were just changing the thermoplastic material, but this is clearly the old classic from 2006 Zendura A. So I'm really disappointed because I was promised through customer service multiple times if I ordered, I'd get the new material. So someone didn't keep their promise. And I think that's really sketchy marketing to put out all these press releases everywhere, send an email to every single doctor saying, as of this Monday, everything you order will be made with the new material, and then not. Recently, they reneged. They didn't even keep their promise. So shame on you, Straumann, and shame on you, ClearCorrect, because this was a waste of money and time for me and the patient who I promised was going to get the new material. I've also been telling doctors for the last 2 weeks that they'll be getting the new material and they should start using ClearCorrect again, and clearly they shouldn't be. So anyways, I don't know if there's an explanation. I'm sure that somebody will reach out to me. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.